Well, hi fellas, welcome back to Storm SMP. Well, today I'm going to be coming out of the mine shafts working on a project. And yes, I'm building iron farm for myself first, because it makes no sense to build it for them first. My supplies, that's what it is. So then, I'm just gonna hop up. Oh my gosh, why lag spooks. Okay. Yep, yep. Server does get lag, and it's not the Wi-Fi. It's kind of strange, don't you think? So, oh my goodness, yep. And I actually died because I couldn't control my mouse and stuff. I'll be back with you. Well, I'm climbing up to my base. Man, it's so annoying. Like, I just walked forward, it lagged, see, and I can't control my character. It just walks and stuff. I don't like that at all. Oh, I do need a helmet, and I'll take that. See, I get free armor. That was a nice one. Got lots of stuff to put in my shop, because this is one of a kind of a mob farm I built here. As you could tell, also normal mode even. It's better on hard mode, that's for sure. Alright, so that big building back there is my iron farm I'm working on, and the failed iron farm's over here because I built it. This farm right here blocked the sky access, and since and it didn't make iron golem spawn, and I was just face palming, but that's okay because now I've got, how many monsters do I mean, how many do I have in here? I think I have 4, and then there's one guy right over here. He's just chilling in this corner. He'll load the doors on this part, and then those villagers will load that area. I made a villager breeder. I have to put doors like that first, and then once we get one, we'll put them on top and make the infinite one. That's how you want to set up your breeder. Looks like they're not doing anything right now, so I may have to make some changes. Alrighty, so yeah, so first order of business is to move the villagers into there, so it is time-lapse time. Alright, so guess what? I moved all the villagers. There are about 11 of them, 10, 11 of them in this hole, and there's one over there. That should be perfect for the spawning of the iron golems. Oh, better do that before the water gets in. Honestly, I should have took the water out and checked if there's a torch in there. Give me a second, guys. I want to confirm. Yeah, it just broke the torch. That would have been deadly. Now, can I place a torch? Barely. Wow. What a sight. So yeah, that's that. Now all I have to do is remove all this trash, and the single cell iron farm is completed. I did make a mistake. That's why the wall is too thick. Also, why there's half slabs over all the water is because we're in extreme hill biome, but they'll spawn inside of the slab and just kind of be pushed along. Now, in the village marker mod, the hitbox is right inside of the water area, so I'm Gucci. I put a little thing to stop the iron golems from falling all the way down to the bottom, so they won't cause any lag. It'll stop around 2 golems before I add the magma block health reducer, because I don't have and I don't want to use lava with a wooden project. Alrighty. Oh yeah, my mob farm is so good. I made one more extreme on a different SMP, but this one was the cheapest by far. But since I built it on the other SMP, we had like so much iron from an iron farm, similar to redstone spires. Yeah. So that's why we were doing so well with that. I'm gonna throw that emerald with my other emeralds. Alright, so I guess next up I need a... Oh my gosh, my diamond pickaxe is almost gone, but I have a Fortune 3 one, so I'll be fine. I'll get enough cobblestone to make me an axe. I don't have to worry. Oh yeah, that's kind of like a witch farm too, and if I optimize that farm, I can turn it into a music disc farm, but I don't need music discs. I could just go on YouTube, look up all the songs, and listen to them. But my prize jewel is this thing, because I get lots of good bows. I even have the best ones in here. Check these out. Infinity, mending, and flame. Look at that. That's very nice, isn't it? And I can combine some of them just to make a better one, obviously. Nope. We'll see if we get an iron golem. I tell you, if we do, I'm gonna be very happy. I'm gonna remove the water, because yeah, that thing sucked. This is similar to the .m design, it's just different. Very different. Instead of having 4 pouches, I only need 2 in each corner from what my testing. So yeah, less work, let's just say that. Okay, I'm not gonna get as many iron golems because I have 10 villagers or so in there. If I had 20, I'd get more, I believe. Let's see. Okay, it looks like I need to change these back into half slabs later. Dear, or now. If I did it now, that'd be awesome, but I don't think I have the materials. Oh. Yep. Why did I just throw my X back in there? Get back here. Honestly, I don't need these, but yeah, these are half slab double slabs. Nice. I wanted to look spick and span. I'll get rid of this water elevator, obviously. You don't need it anymore. I actually like those kind of elevators. I use them instead of ladders most of the time. Most of the time, not all the time. If it's like a cave, I use a ladder because it's faster. but if it's in the sky, I just drop a water source down. And since I'm in the extreme hill biome, I have to put a block over the water, or else it could freeze over and trap me at the bottom. Well, anyways, I am gonna go ahead and clean up the place, and I'll show you some more things later. Well, guys, check them out. It works. I knew it. You only need 2 pouches. So I am the first one on the server to have the Iron Golem farm. Alright, Iron Golem Massacre, here we go. Wham, 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 trick shot. Ugh. That is just so good. Now this isn't, I'm gonna use these magma blocks to actually kill them. This is kind of stupid. See how much iron I got? 4, yes, that's good. That'll be enough because I just need to make 1 hopper, and then I'll use the magma blocks to kind of, you know, put them down. Like, you know, because he got rabies. Alright, now. Don't ask me why they have rabies, I just know from experience. Oh. Man, these guys, just please die. I'll punch you to death. I'll spoon you to death. Come on, Spoon, you can beat it. Yeah! Spoon for the win. Yeah, it's a spade. Whatever. Whatever, man. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the iron I caught from before. Boom, check that out. Sorry if you hear noises in the background. I have autistic siblings, and yeah, they get annoying. Annoying. Such a bad joke, but yeah, I wish. The reason why they're autistic is they got brain damage when they're young because the doctors sort of overdosed their shots at a really, really young age, not even 1 year old, and they got. My brother got 4 shots before a year old, and that the body can't handle that much shots, and it messed up his brain. And I feel really sad for him in the condition he is. And my sister had a heart surgery when she was little. So I feel sympathy for them a lot. But I'm not gonna make it a sad day right now, because we've got iron golems, and that's all that really matters in the situation I am in now. Alright, so we need to replace the whole floor with these magma blocks. I don't have an axe, so I'm just gonna punch out the wood. And I'm not even gonna step on the magma, I'm just gonna stay. Well, I actually may have to. Maybe. We'll see. No, it looks like I lied. I sorta did it. Then again, I did say I wasn't going to step on the magma. Really unpredictable thing to do. See, I almost got rid of it. So yeah, it will do these weird sizzly noise, but yeah, let's see, where is it? Yep, it's facing the right way, and basically they'll burn up. Well, not exactly burn up. They'll get their stuff collected in there like so. I should make a sign that says don't touch. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a lag spike.